more stuff I'm going to have to sweep up and pick out. Not only am I going to take these out of here, I'm going to sweep up all this sawdust debris too, you know, next time I'm down here. And that will prevent termites and stuff like that. And even if I never, let's say I never get termites, okay? I never get termites. What is that stuff? It's just sawdust. I have to clean that stuff up. Let's say I never get termites, ever. But 10 years down the road, when I get ready to sell the house, you know good and well, the next house inspector, he's going to crawl down here and he's going to look at different things that need to be fixed. And not only him, he could put it on his list, but the termite inspection, you always have to have a termite inspection report too from a licensed termite inspector, has to be different than the homeowner's inspection. So you get two different chances of somebody coming and saying, hey, all this stuff has to be cleaned up. And now that I see all the remnants everywhere, I don't know if that has attracted any termites. And because I don't know that, I'm inclined to say the whole thing has to be sprayed. Especially if I'm the licensed termite inspector and I'm going to be the one having to license my inspection report, I'm going to have to charge you for all that. And it could be a big, huge bill depending how much of a floor space you have to crawl in. Okay? That's the other reason why I want to clean all this stuff up. It's going to save me hundreds of dollars, if not more. All right? All right. I'm going to get out of here and get set up so we can go through that hole and see what's over there. And I'm no spring chicken anymore, but I still got it a little bit of energy to do stuff like this. I just have to be a little bit more careful. I don't want to hurt myself. That's why I always wear my back support. My back lumbar support is called, and my knee brace, and I still don't want to move around too fast and all that good stuff, okay? Protect yourself. You can do it.